In my last video, I showed you how to find the daily bias using currency strength meter. But a bias is useless if you don't know where to click buy or sell. Today, I'm showing you the exact entry mode I use to catch the move once the bias is confirmed, just like the moves I caught on GBP JPY. No more hesitating, no more getting stopped out early. So let's get to the game. What's up, guys? Based on the previous video, I told you guys on how to have your daily bias. I said you trade the strong against the weak, then you have a trending market. But if you trade the strong against the strong, you always have a ranging market. Same goes to trading the weak against the weak, you have a ranging market, right? So I won't be emphasizing on how to get your daily bias. If you want to understand or want to know how to get your daily bias, just check out the previous video. Today I want to show you how to get an entry that gives you high win rate. There are three factors: one, timing; two, the rate; three, the shift. If these three things doesn't align, then the trade is not valid. Timing, the rate, and the shift. Now, once you've gotten your daily bias, you have to wait for the London section from 9 to 11. If the market doesn't pull back from this time to take out the previous low when it comes to the bullish market, or the previous high when it comes to the bearish market, then it's not valid. Then once the market take out the previous high or the previous low, it could be like 3 previous high above or 3 or 2 previous low, then we have to wait for go down to the 1 minute time frame or 5 minute time frame for market shift, for market structure shift, which is like change of character. Then after you've gotten your change of character, then that is when we have to enter the market. We either buy or we sell. With the tools that I'm using has already given us an easy way to enter into the market without any stress or without us looking for change of market, because the indicator would show you what to do. It's an ICT indicator. So let me show you the example. Now on Wednesday, this market, because today is Friday, you can see it 6 February on Friday. So the first thing we need to do is clicking your indicator, then searching power of 3 by the TickMagnet, TTM power of 3 by the TickMagnet. The second one is price action smart money concept by BigBeluga. Now, like I said, the three most important things that you need, number one, the timing. Number two, the market has to sweep the previous low when it's an uptrend, or the previous high when it's a downtrend. It has to sweep previous low when it's an uptrend, and it has to sweep previous high when it's a downtrend. Like when I mean even sweeping previous high, it can sweep like 2, 3, 1, 4 previous low or previous highs. So it's not just being one. You just have to mark down those lows and those highs. So during those time, then the third one is change of character, market structure shift. Once the market has changed after the pullback, then that is when you either buy or you either sell. So there is this trade I caught on Wednesday, GBP JPY. GBP was strong on Wednesday. Today is Friday. You can check, you can see the time. Today is Friday, 6 February. So on Wednesday, GBP was stronger against Japanese yen. We are going to use the Asian sections. We only use the Asian section to determine what the London and the New York sessions will play out. So this Asian session, the market was bullish. If you check the timing, the market was bullish on Wednesday, 2, 3 a.m., 4 a.m. the market was bullish. So like I said, this trade we are only going to look for the pullback when we are trading the strong against the weak. We are only looking for the pullback from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. WAT, which means West African time. Now, if we don't see a pullback from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., then the trade is not valid. We have to wait and show up by this time to trade based on what the Asian session gives us. From that 9 a.m., you have to mark out the previous low, which is when the market moves up. This is a previous low, you mark it out. The market moves up again, you mark it out. All these things are previous low, right? So I'm even supposed to mark this out as well. So this is the market low. Same goes to this, but I'll just leave it this way. I'll just leave it this way. So as you can see, the market went up, pulled down, went up, pulled down. Then it was ranging until, if you check the time when the market started pulling down, it was at our given time, which is that 10, right? From 9 to 11 a.m., like I said. So the market pulled down. In fact, I was even expecting the market to clear this low, previous low. So, but the market did not clear the previous low. Sometimes you can even clear this low and up to this place and even come down to this place. So until you see change of market structure before you enter into the market, before you press the buy button. So you just can't press the buy button when you know that the market is dumping without any signs of changing the character, because sometimes the market can just go down and start dumping and even change character and be dumping like that. I entered this trade, I entered long, and as you can see, the market did change of character. Market did change of character here, did change of character. Then it pulled back and it pushed up, and I got this trade, right? So so it's a very, very nice move. Let me show you. So it's a very, very nice move, right? So this is the trade. You can check the time. GBP JPY, it was on Wednesday. Check the timing. It was just very, very fast, and I got into the trade, and I got out, and I kept the bag. So I made little amount of money, but at least it was good. Okay, if you're asking where am I going to put my take profit, right? You put your take profit in the next high, like after the pullback, the next high that will show pullback. That is, as you can see here, this is where I put the take profit. Sometimes you can get 1-1 RR, 1-2, 1-3, depends on the amount of pullback that the market make. And sometimes in a week you can only trade, like since this week I only trade twice, which is, let me even show you. On Tuesday I traded Australian dollar, euro Australian dollar, right? So, and I made $161. Then it was just one trade and I was out. Once I see my setup, I was out. Then on Wednesday, which is the next day, I saw my setup. Then on Thursday, I didn't see my setup. See, I didn't trade on Thursday. I didn't see my setup. Then I was just off the market. So today is Friday, and we are already in the Asian section, which is 1 a.m. Western African time. I will just have to wait for the market to give me my edge. Then once the market gives me my edge, I would, my setup, my A plus setup, then I would either buy or sell. And I only trade what I see. I don't trade how I feel. I trade how I see. So this is how I trade, and more are still coming in the next video. You guys should also tell me in the comment section the next video I should do. Please, I am giving out this thing. This experience I have is something that I've tested and I've back tested, and it's something that has been working for me. And at the same time, I will also be teaching you guys a lot in this channel, and I'm pouring everything out for free. Like, I'm not holding anything down, but all I'm just asking in return is to subscribe and like. Then tell me in the comment section what video do you want me to do next. I will be so much grateful. So your subscription means a lot to me. I need to grow my channel because I just started, you know, I just feel like giving back to the community. Just feel like giving back to traders, and telling them what actually works for me, you know. So I need the subscription. It's more important to me. Bye. See ya. Peace.